Hey everyone, welcome back to Technology X AI. So, you're not going to believe what just happened. I watched a robot vacuum pick up my socks. No, seriously. I've been testing out the new Roborock Saros Z70 for the past week, and I'm still kind of blown away by it. Let me tell you all about it. Now, before we dive in, let me tell you something wild. This isn't just a regular smart vacuum. This thing is packed with AI that makes it feel almost alive. Let me explain what I mean. First off, this robot comes pre-programmed to recognize 108 different objects. Yes, you heard that right. 108. But here's where it gets even cooler. You can teach it to recognize 50 more objects through the app. It's like training your own little robot assistant. I spent a weekend teaching it where different things belong in my house, and now it actually helps organize while it cleans. Mind blown yet? The AI doesn't stop there. There's this feature called Roborock Smart Plan 2.0, and it's pretty much the robot's brain. It learns your home's cleaning needs over time. Like, it figured out that my kitchen needs more attention after dinner time and automatically increases suction power there. It even learned to be quieter during my work calls. You know how we all do that pre-clean before the robot vacuum runs, like picking up all the stuff from the floor? Well, that might be a thing of the past, because this little guy comes with something I've never seen before. An actual robotic arm that picks stuff up. Okay, so let's talk about this arm first because it's honestly wild. They call it the Omni Grip system, and get this, it can actually recognize different objects and pick them up. I tested it with socks, small towels, and even some toys. It can lift anything up to 300 grams, which is pretty impressive. I'm literally watching it organize my stuff while cleaning. My mind is blown. You'd think with that fancy arm, this thing would be huge, right? Nope. It's actually super slim. Only about 3 inches tall. I can't tell you how many times it's cleaned under my couch where my old vacuum couldn't even fit. Let me geek out for a second about the suction power. 22,000 pascals. If that number doesn't mean anything to you, let me show you what that means in real life. I've scattered some cereal, pet hair, and fine dust on my floor, and watch this. See how it just disappears? That's what 22,000 pascals looks like in action. Yeah, this robot has better navigation than some people I know. It's got 2 cameras, one on the arm and one in front. I love watching it work because it's like it's actually thinking about what it's doing. The way it maps everything is incredible. It hasn't gotten stuck once, and trust me, I tried to trick it. Y'all, this dock is fancy. It's like a little robot maintenance station. After cleaning, the robot goes back and the dock does everything automatically. It takes off its mops, washes them with hot water, dries everything, and even adds cleaning solution when needed. I literally haven't had to touch it for a week. Listen, I've reviewed a lot of robot vacuums, but this one's different. It's not just about the cleaning anymore. It's actually helping keep my home organized. The other day I came home to find all my scattered socks actually placed in one spot. It's like having a tiny cleaning butler. So who needs this? Well, if you're a busy person who hates pre-cleaning, raising my hand here, have pets, love tech, or just have a messy family, this could be a game changer for you. Now, let's keep it real. There are some things you should know. It's not cheap, but honestly, for what it does, I get it. There's definitely a learning curve with all the features, and it can only lift lighter items, so no picking up your shoes. The bottom line, the Saros Z70 isn't just a robot vacuum. It's like having an AI-powered assistant that just happens to clean your floors really well. Is it perfect? Nah. Is it the closest thing to having a robot butler in your home? Nah, absolutely. Drop a comment below and let me know what AI features you'd want in your robot vacuum. Would you trust it to organize your stuff? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Technology X AI for more reviews of mind-blowing tech like this. Catch you in the next one. And remember, the future of AI is here, and it's busy picking up your socks.